common knowledge is that 3D printers already can print in different types of plastic, and we do too. But I think one of the exciting things is that more and more different materials are becoming available, like stainless steel, like silver, so you can make jewelry, but also ceramic, so you can make your own coffee cups, you can make your own vases. And the amount of materials that are coming out are rapidly increasing.
One of the areas I've been working on for a few years is adapting 3D printers to print food. You push one of those buttons, and it would have toner cartridges of frozen or dried and powdered foods. And the print head puts down a pixel of food, hydrates it with a needle, zaps it with a laser to cook it, rinse and repeat for every pixel, and it prints you a meal that's customized for you. There are a few places left where computers haven't gone, and I think meals is one of them.
It was a woman who was completely paralyzed, and she could control the computer, but she actually effectively couldn't control her hands. And she used her own Ultimaker to print herself a new pair of grippers for a robot arm. So she was finally able to feed herself in ways that she wasn't able to do before. She was completely dependent. And this type of solution is not easily provided to somebody unless you take matters into your own hand.
One of the great benefits of 3D printing. So it's really no limit in design, no limit in geometry. You can print mostly every geometry you like, starting from toys, art pieces, but also to real pieces. And what is also very interesting, you can integrate function into it.
I think about 70 parts on the Boeing 787 are 3D printed. When you have a failure or you need to replace a part, your printer can just print that part.
We get emails now at our customer support that say, we love what we bought, but can you explain what 3D printing is, because we don't understand. So in the end, it's about what people get, and it's not about the technology that underpins it.
Mostly all cars are developed with 3D printing. So engine parts, also dashboards, whatever is developed with it. And some of the manufacturers are already using 3D printed parts for small series production, and this will go on.
One of the killer apps of the 3D printing already is there. And that is that 3D printing is completely disrupting supply chain and manufacturing. Because of our ability to take digital designs directly into final products, the need to make it in a country that has the lowest possible labor is no longer there.
The materials become more scarce. The power to run the printers or run manufacturing will become more scarce. And the 3D printing has the potential to be one of the most material efficient technologies.